Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how to create highly realistic sketch in Photoshop. So let's start the video. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. First of all, open Photoshop and import the image. I want to convert this image into a realistic sketch. Press Ctrl J twist times. We have to make 2 copies of this layer. You can hide this layer and then select the layer 1 copy. Click here, then select black and white. Now select the layer 1 copy and blend this layer copy to the color dots. Make sure that you don't convert this layer to the color dots. Select the layer 1 copy, go to image, adjustments, then select invert. You can also press Ctrl I to invert, or you can go to image adjustments and invert. Now right click here and select convert to smart object. With the layer 1 copy selected, go to filter, blur, then select Gaussian blur and decrease or increase its opacity. I think this is the perfect. Select OK. Now press Ctrl Shift E to merge all these layers. Then go to filter, filter gallery. Yes, select the wallpaper, make its fiber length to 3, brightness to 45 or contrast to 75 or about 70. Then select OK. Now as you can see that how quickly we convert this image into a realistic sketch. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos.